Hi friends, welcome to another part of single row functions. Today we are discussing string functions. The string functions here categorized like this, that is Initcap, upper, lower, length, Rpad, Lpad, Ltrim, Rtrim, trim, translate, replace, Soundex, Concat, Ascii, chr, substring, Instr, decode, greatest, least. We see with the one by one with one examples and we have policy. So here we go for Initcap. This will capitalize the initial letter of a string. If suppose we are having the value, select the syntax is select Initcap of string. We go for the example, select Initcap computer from dual. The computer value, select Initcap computer from dual. So we go the computer. Initcap means it gives the capital letter of the first string. It gives the first character value becomes capital. The small c is there. In the output we got capital computer. Upper. This will convert the string into uppercase. Example, select upper computer from dual. So this converts this lower characteristics into upper characters by using the upper function. Lower, this gives the lowercase letters. This function will give the lowercase function. Select lower. I am giving here computer in the capital letters. From dual, it gives the value of the upper computer to lower values of computer by using the function lower function. Length. This will give length of a string. The syntax is length string. Select length computer from dual. It gives the length of the computer. See here, the length of the computer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the length of the computer is given by using the function is called length function. Rpad. This will allows you to pad the right side of a column with any set of characters. The Rpad syntax is Rpad, the string, which string you want to give, the name you can give, the length, how much length, and adding character. Example, see here, select Rpad, computer, comma, 15, comma, star, Rpad, computer, 15, comma, star, ash from dual. See here, Rpad means it's right pad. After the computer, it gives right side with star symbols. The total length of the string is 15. Here we have the computer is 8. The remaining 7 characters is replaced with stars. Like here, star dot, star ash. Up to the 15 characters, it gives star ash, star ash, star ash. So here we are ending with the star. Another ash is not coming because the length becomes 16. That's why it gives up to only star, star ash, star ash, star ash, star. Lpad. This will allows you to pad the left side of a column with any set of characters. Like the Rpad, it gives Lpad, it gives the left side with a specified length. Here we see 15 characters of length, including the computer is adding 8. and remaining 8 letters with padding with the star to the left side. Like that, star hash also padding to the left side of the computer. Ltrim. This will trim off unwanted characters from left end of the string. See here, Ltrim of computer, comma, CO. So here the CO is trimmed with the by using Ltrim operation. The computer will display here. Ltrim com, it will only computer will display. The Ltrim is trim off unwanted characters from the left end of a string. If we see here the select Ltrim. Another example we see here, Ltrim computer. I am giving here the values pewter. The pewter besides of com or to the right side of the com. But we are giving the function is Ltrim. So it will not trim the right part. It only print the matches of the string to the left side. It only trims. Here the CO is having the left side. That's why it trims the left side of the value, but the pewter is there at the right side. It will not trim by using the L trim, R trim. If you go with the R trim, you see here you give instead of L trim, you give R trim. See the difference here. It gives only com. The pewter is belongs to the right side of this computer. The R trim function removes this pewter from the right and it gives the com. Like that, computer is gives only the value of C. This is about the R trim. Trim. This will trim off unwanted characters from the both sides of the string. We see the example here. Select trim what I from where Indian. So here it I trims from both the sides. Here trim unwanted characters from the both the sides of a string. It removes the both the sides, means the I is there to the left side and right side. It trims the I from the both the sides. The result is gives NDIAN. So we go for another example. See here, leading I from in Indiani from dual. So this leading function, the leading means it leads to the left side. The left side it only removes the left part of I. You can go with the leading function I from Indian E that removes only the left side means lead side of starting character is I. It removes from this string I in the E, it removes only I by using the leading I. If we go select trailing, so trailing means last one. If we go with this example, you will get better idea. Select trim trailing I from indeni from dual. It trailing means the last part of the string which matches with I, then it removes I from indeni. It becomes Indian. If suppose I have given here X, if you see here there is no X in the right side, it doesn't remove anything from this string. It only the string is matched with the that only the character, sorry, the character match with the string, then only it removes the both leading as well as trailing sides of the trim function. Translate. This will replace the set of characters character by character. If we go with the example, we will get a better idea of this. Translate. If suppose I am given here India in place of IN means I. in place of I want to replace x. I want to replace in place of n with y. I can go with like this. Here India, I giving x5. Wherever the I is there in the string, it replaces with x. Where n is there, it replaces with y. You see here xy dxa. The translate function it replaces the existing value with the assigned value. So it translates, sorry. Now we are having another function, replace function. This will replace a set of characters, string by string function. By string, we see this example here. To select replace, this one, the replace function always replace total string. You see here, India, it replace in with xy. Here, the difference between translate and replace, the replace is matches with in. Wherever is in is there, it always replace with xy. But in the translate function, the each and individual character is assigned with the other character. Here the preceding value of I, here preceding we are having I, after that we are having n. The I is translated to x and n is translated to y in the translate function. But in the replace function, it replaces with I n, both if in is there, then only it replaces with the xy. In India from real replaces India with in, it goes to wherever the India is there, it replaces in. I am not assigned any part of the replace value, it automatically takes null, then it replaces in with null and it gives dia. Here we see xydia. But in the translate, you see I wherever is I is there, it replaces with x, and wherever n is there, it replaces y. The difference between translate and replace is translate we translate the character to character, replace with the bunch of characters whenever it is match with the replace string. Soundex. Okay, the whenever this will use it to find the words sound like other words exclusively used in the where class. So if you see here, select star from employee where soundex ename soundex Smith. Whatever Smith is there means it is not matched with the spelling to spelling, means character to character. It will only the heard the sound, and whatever the sounds are match with our existing database, that records here will display. You see here 7369, the Smith SMIT. Smith we are calling. In the database we are having Smith. Both are spelling sounding like same. That's why it gives this value. Concat. This will be used to combine two strings only. Concat string 1 and string 2. Select concat computer, comma, operator from UL. If we go with this example, we will get a better idea. Select concat computer operator from UL. Here we see we get the means concatenation means it combines both into a single word is called computer operator is now by using concat. The concatenation can be done with the pipe symbol also. If you see here, select here the string value we should place in single quotes. Select how are you from dual. Like this, it will concatenate by using the double pipe symbol. Okay, double pipe symbol is represents and combination here. This will return the ASCII. You know the ASCII values. This value returns the decimal representation in the database character set of the first character of a string. If we go here, we see it gives first character of a string. If suppose I am giving B, it gives same results. Okay, it gives same result. If suppose I am giving capital A, it gives another result. It gives the ASCII value of capital A and ASCII value of A. This gives the first value of the character set of ASCII value. The CHR, this will return the character having the binary equivalent to the string in either the database character set or national character set. Means select CHR 97 from dual. If we are getting here 97 of small a value, we can also get the ASCII value, means the number value of a ASCII by using the CHR function like this. CHR of 97 is A. ASCII of A is also, we are getting 97. The reverse can also be possible here. Substring. This will be used to extract substrings. If you see here with the example, we will get a better idea of substring function. Look here. Select substring computer comma 2, substring computer from 2 comma 5, substring computer 3 comma 7 from dual. First one we see, this is 0th, this is the first position and this is the second position. With the substring function displays, if suppose we are not giving any last value, it displays from the second position. Substring of computer means it is the first position and start with the second position. Second is O, from the O computer is getting. We go another one of substring 2 comma 5. Here the two value is O 3 4 5. OMPU OMPUT 1 2 3 4 5. The value of 5 is giving from here. From the second onwards, 5 values it gives. O, M, P, U, T. Up to 5 values it displays. Here we are having from the third value to 7 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no seventh value, but up to it gives sixth value computer. If suppose I am giving here 1, then it displays from the first character computer. It displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to E it displays by using 1 comma 7. See here the substring function, the number of chars per parameter is negative, then it display nothing. If both parameter except string are null or zeros, then it display nothing. If number of chars parameter is greater than the length of the string, then it ignores the calculates the based on the original string length. If start char count is negative, then it will extract the substring from the right end. If suppose I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The negative representation is comes from like this: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. This is about the substring. We are having another important function here, that is Instr. This allows you to for searching through a setting for a set of characters. You have to get a set of characters from searching in string, set string, and the start of the character, count and number and occurrence, how many times it occurred. Here we see select. With this example, we will get the value of Instr function. Here we see Here we see, here we are giving in string information 0, 4, comma 1. It gives the fourth value from this like this. In string information 4, comma 2, the second occurrence. Here, where the second occurrence, the position is here 10. The 10th position is having second occurrence. 4 is the available character position O, and the second position, last position of the O we are getting with the second occurrence is 10. Like this, the in-string operation will perform. If you are not specifying start char counter occurrence, then it will start search from the beginning of and finds the first occurrence only. If both parameters start feature count and occurrence are null, it will display nothing. Decode. Decode will act as value by value substitution. For every value field, it will check for a match in a series of if then test. So decode. You see here, select sal, decode sal 500 as low, 5000 high, and medium from employee. We go. So this is gives only the if the salary is 500, it gives low. If the salary is 5000, it gives high. Between the salary low 500 and 5000, it gives a medium for all salary values. Like this, we can decode the values. Select decode 1, comma 1, 3, decode 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6 from dual. It gives decode the value of 6. If the number of parameters are odd and different, then decode will display nothing. If the number of parameters are even and different, then decode will display last value. Okay, last value it gives the even. Okay, and if the all parameters are null, then decode value display nothing. If all parameters are zero, the decode will display zero. Greatest. This will give the greatest string. Greatest means like this and greatest. Select the greatest A comma B comma C. It gives C, and select greatest Satish Srinu Saket. Here R is greater than AA. That's why it gives Srinu. Least, it gives the least value. Select least A comma B comma C and least Satish, Renu and Saket. If you see here, SA is a K is least than T, that's why it's giving the Saket. Okay, this is policy and it gives the null, non-null values, and here the non-value of first is A, and the non-null value also first is A. This is about string functions of dual. We will see another functions in the next video.